Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can customize your Wells Fargo card, and this is actually very simple. What you need to do is head over to Google and search for Wells Fargo debit card design, and then click on the first link that comes up. Now you need to click on design your card if you're already a card holder, which will bring you to this page. From here you need to sign into your account and then you can do it, but let me just show you a demo. So first, you're going to choose either it's a personal or business card. Let's say it's a personal card. So we click on start here. So first we can customize our background. So we're going to click on select background. Now they will already provide you with like a lot of animal picture, or you can see there's nature, there's patterns, there's patriarchic, like there's just so much type that you can go from, and you can just choose any of these, the one that you like the most. Or you could also click on upload your image to upload it, and then you're going to click on like preview and then preview everything, the design. Let's say we want this, and then you can either edit it, like scale it up like that. Or I think this picture is already pre-built, but you could also like do other stuffs. You could flip, rotate, that kind of stuffs, and then click on preview, and then you're going to click on confirm, and then basically it will confirm your card, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like that, and I'll see you guys in the next one.